Modal verbs are small, but they can totally change your sentence. In this video, we're going to break down modal verbs, what they are, how they work, and when to use them. Plus, you'll get simple practice exercises to check your understanding. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. What are modal verbs in English? Modal verbs are such as can, could, may, might, must, will, would, shall, should, ought to, and needn't. These modal verbs are used to talk about ability, possibility, obligation, prohibition, or to make requests or offers. Bear in mind, modal verbs are always followed by bare infinitive. The bare infinitive is the base form of a verb without to, and it's not affected by tense form. For example, go, goes, going, went, and gone. The word that's bare infinitive is go. Well, now let's discuss those modal verbs one by one in detail. Can. Can is used to express 1. Ability. Example, I can play the piano very well. 2. Permission. Example, can I go now? 3. Possibility. Example, it can be a very good day tomorrow. 4. Offer. I can help you with this homework. Don't worry. 5. Request. Example, can you please pass me the salt? Could. This modal is used to express 1. Ability in the past. Example, I could play the piano well when I was 9. 2. Polite permission. Example, excuse me, could I come in? 3. Possibility. Example, a hailstorm could come here tomorrow. 4. Polite offer. Example, no problem. I could give you a lift. 5. Polite request. Example, could you please move to the next slide? May. May is used to express 1. Permission. Example, may I leave early? 2. Possibility. Example, astronauts may discover life in other planets. Might. You can use this to express 1. Polite permission. Example, might I take you home? 2. Possibility. Example, I might visit him tomorrow if the weather is nice. Must. This one is used to express 1. Obligation. Example, you must do homework. 2. Certainty. Example, he must be at the cinema now. He told me about that yesterday. And if it is in negative form, mustn't, it's used to express prohibition. Example, you mustn't play here. It's dangerous. Will. Use this to express 1. Prediction. Example, the weather forecast predicts that it'll rain tonight. 2. Promise. Example, I'll finish all the homework by Friday. 3. Spontaneous decision. Example, I'll lend you some money. 4. Request, demand. Example, will you please give me that book? Would. Would is used to express 1. Used as the past form of will. Example, my dad said that he would give me some toys on my birthday. 2. Polite request, demand. Example, would you mind closing the door, please? Shall. Shall expresses 1. Prediction. Example, this time tomorrow I shall be in London. 2. Offer, suggestion. Example, shall we discuss this further with him? Should. This modal functions to express 1. Advice. Example, you should see the doctor. It's swollen. 2. Prediction, expectation. Example, the project should be done before May. 3. Polite suggestion. Example, should I call her to say sorry? Ought to. This modal expresses 1. Obligation. Example, you ought to say goodbye to your parents when you leave. 2. Advice. Example, you ought to sleep early. You look really tired. Needn't. This is used to talk about something not necessary. You needn't give him any advice. He won't listen. Alright, now try to answer these questions. Which sentence uses a modal verb correctly? A. She can to swim very well. B. He must finishes his homework. C. You should see a doctor. D. They may to coming late. Good job. The correct answer is C. You should see a doctor. Modal verbs, like should, are followed by the bare infinitive, base verb without to. A. Can to swim, should be can swim. B. Must finishes, should be must finish. D. May to coming, should be may come. Choose the best sentence using a modal verb for advice. A. You must to go home. B. You should eat more vegetables. C. You can to visit the museum. D. You might eat slower. Well done. The correct answer is B. You should eat more vegetables. Should is a modal verb commonly used to give advice. A. Must to go, incorrect form. C. Can to visit, modal plus bare verb, can visit. D. Might eats, should be might eat. Which modal verb shows possibility in the future? A. Must. B. Should. C. Can. D. Might. Marvelous. The correct answer is D. Might. Explanation. Might is used to express possibility, especially when the outcome is uncertain. Example. She might come to the party. That's all for this session. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks.